Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna take this blonde wig into ash brown. So this is what the wig looks like, and the wig came into this box, and they also sent me a comb, and this is from EVA wig. So they also sent me this white tooth comb, and it has EVA marked on it, and then like the extension, like the tag, and it has my name. Now the SKU for this is a CES 209, same color as the picture. The length is 20. I'll have all the information in the description box. And this is like a, I guess, yes, this is like a guideline or steps and tips how to wash, how to apply the wig, how to care for the wig, and how to construct the wig construction and so on, their exchange and return policy, and order cancellation and changes. So this is really nice. They have a lot of info on this, which I really love. I've never received any sort of hair or wig with so much information. So this is a user manual, which I really like. I really love that. And then they send a wig cap, which is in, I don't know, this is in like nude color, I would say. Yeah, it's in a nude color, and 2 pieces come in this. And they send elastic band just in case you want to, you know, put elastic band into it. And then they send some hairpins, which is cute. So I really like this packaging. This packaging is really nice, and I think a lot of information is in it. So that's a thumbs up already for EVA wigs. So now we're gonna turn this bad boy into an ash blonde, because you guys know I feel like ash blonde looks better on dark skinned girls or women of color. So I'm gonna use Revlon hair color. I saw this girl, I can't pronounce her name, Rubia. I'm gonna put her name and her link for her channel down in the description bar, because I have to give credit where credit is due. I saw her and her ash blonde wig, and I really love it. So I decided I'm gonna try it, and she used 2 boxes of Revlon medium ash blonde and 2 boxes of Revlon dark ash blonde. So I'm gonna try this on the wig. She did also use it on a 613 wig, so I'm gonna try the same thing. So I'm gonna mix these together. So I haven't shown you yet. It's really, I love the density. It's not too thin, not too thick, very light. It's constructed really well. It's like a lace frontal, or yeah, is it? Well, it's not a lace. I don't know, because is this a full lace wig? Because it's still, it is meshed in. That this, it's not sewn on. The rest are not sewn on, so I don't know, but there's still like fabric. It's not mesh like the rest. It's not lace like all of it, but then they still kind of weave it in. So I don't know what's that's classified as. But this is how the wig, this is how the construction of the wig is. You have 1 comb, which I'm gonna take out. Then we have a side comb. Another side comb. Wait, where is it? Another side comb. We don't have a comb at the back. I think I'm gonna remove this one and put it at the back. And then we have adjustable straps, and then some lace around it. And the lace looks like it's medium dark, or medium brown, I should say. So, yeah, let's get right into it so this video is not too long. Okay, so I'm gonna section the hair. And I'm gonna do the roots first, and then I'm gonna go to the end. So for the, I'm gonna make the ash blonde, dark ash blonde first. So this is dark ash blonde. So this is my bowl with my color, and this is, as I said, the dark ash blonde. So I'm just gonna mix them. This is 2 boxes. I'm just gonna mix them. Then I'm gonna start applying to the roots. I'm gonna do the next side, and then I'll come back when I reach the top. So now I'm gonna mix the medium ash blonde. Rubbing these together like this with my fingers because I want to ensure that it's well saturated. All the strands are saturated because I don't want no gap. I don't really mind if the back is a little bit darker than the front. At least it'll give it a little bit more dimension. So I'll ensure I put some of the light blonde on to where the dark ash blonde stop to ensure everything is blended nicely. I don't want no line of demarcation, I just want everything to flow. So I make sure I'm blending those together as well. Sheds. So you guys can tell it sheds a little bit. So all the shedding. Ensure that all the strands got the color and there's no white spot. I'm just gonna kind of massage everything into the hair. I'm gonna let it sit for like probably 10 minutes. So because I like this side, but this side needs to balance out. So okay guys, so this is the finished look of the hair. I really love it. I must say when it was wet, it shed just a little bit, not too much, but now that it's dry, I'm not getting no shedding, and I really love this color. Like okay, and it's very light. It's very light. I feel like I have nothing on my head. It's very light. The only thing is a little bit too big for my head because you know I don't have any hair or anything like that. But it's a little bit too big for my hair, but I guess this would fit because normally I'm like a 20 circumference, between 20 and 21 circumference. So I think I didn't give them the right size when it comes down to making the wig. You guys can see. I did cut it. Remember I told you, I don't know, it's in the video, I cut it. Whenever I'm wearing blonde hair, if you look at my previous video when I had the long blonde hair, I like them to be thin. I don't like when, well, not thin, because I feel like thin sounds very like, why have they come in my hand? But I feel like thin sounds weird. So no, not thin, but less hair. I don't like it as voluminous and like just thin and nice because I feel like it's already bold. There's no need for more volume. So I like the density of this hair. So yeah, please check out EVA wig. I didn't show how I apply the wig because I always show that. I know by now you guys know how I apply my wig. I don't use got to be glue. I only use the spray and that's it. And yeah, so that's it. Check out EVA WIGS. I'll put all the information in the description bar, the name of this unit, the code, everything. And yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel. So yeah guys, take care and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.